Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the multimeter to continuity or diode mode so the meter can detect very low resistance. This is why you'll hear a beep when circuit's complete. Once set, make sure the device or wiring is fully de-energized and remove batteries to prevent false readings. Now touch the probes together. You should hear a beep and see near 0 ohms. This verifies probe integrity and baseline before testing components or traces, which prevents misdiagnosis later on. You next isolate the component or wire to avoid parallel paths that could trick the meter. Remove one connection or desolder one lead when needed. Then place the black probe on common or ground and the red probe on the test point so polarity and reference are consistent. If you hear a beep or read low ohms, the path is continuous. If the meter stays silent or shows high/open resistance, the circuit is broken. Make sure connections are solid and probes contact clean metal for reliable results. You finish by reconnecting any removed leads and reassembling the device after confirming continuity where expected, which prevents accidental shorts. If a reading is unexpected, first recheck probe contact, clean contacts, and ensure the meter is still in continuity mode. Then confirm the component was isolated so parallel circuits aren't hiding the fault. For diodes or semiconductors, use the diode test to verify forward drop and polarity. If problems persist, swap the meter or probes to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.